can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Look at that site. If that isn't the most Dutch shipyard site, other than the fact it's sunny and beautiful blue skies, I don't know what is. Got lots to do today. Scraping out the sludge out the bottom of Bluey. Let's get on with it, shall we? You look like you want to go back to bed.
I mean, it's early and it's second day of Easter.
It's not early, it's 10:30 in the morning.
It's second day of Easter. There's nobody here. I can yawn.
All right, what are we doing today?
We're
Sludging.
We're sludging. We're doing the last little bit of sludge. Well, little, I mean, it's 60% still.
We've still got a whole day of sludging to do.
But we did 2 half days. Did quite a lot in those 2 half days. So we think we can actually finish the job today, which is great. It's making me feel good.
Fabulous. Just get on our hands and knees and scrape some sludge.
Yes.
Lovely. Whoa, I do look a steak, look at me, okay. We're doing really well with the floor, looking a lot drier, a lot more sludge free, and we've got all the way to here. So we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we've got 7 ribs to go. Mariah is enjoying the sun.
Tired.
Yeah, well, you've got to go and get some more bin bags, haven't you? 'Cause we've done so many bin bags, we've run out of bin bags, so more bin bags to come. But yeah, fun on the boat. I think we may have killed our beloved vacuum cleaner. It doesn't seem to be doing much anymore. Take it home and have a little play with it tonight. We were doing so well, nearly at the end. My hair is looking great today, I just also say. We weren't abusing it, so I suppose it's only to be expected. You live and you learn, all right.
Yeah?
We have done it, finished scraping all the sludge off the floor. Fantastic that we've got the sludge out. The steel actually looks better than I was expecting it to, especially down here. It was very thick sludge and I was expecting there to be basically no steel floor left. That's good for when we do the next phase in the metal work and have to figure out how much this boat needs to be replaced. The less the better, obviously, for our bank account. Love that this is done. There's still a lot to do. Get to the welding part, replace the bits and then get it all repainted, and then we'll be ready to start putting stuff back in. How are you feeling, co-captain?
My arms and my hands and my back.
Well, the good news is that we've done a really good job. The bad news is that we've got another 4 days of this before we get a day off. We've done good, Mariah.
Take it from me.
Head home and have a cup of tea. Lekker. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.